welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make yakisoba. It's a Japanese noodle style. I love this recipe, it's really simple and quick to do, so I hope you enjoy. Here are the ingredients. 1 red pepper, 1 broccoli clove and 1 carrot, 300 grams of beef, 2 tablespoons of butter, long noodles, salt, pepper and soy sauce to your taste. First you chop the vegetables and let it separate. Then I add water to a medium pot and let it boil. Add the noodles and cook it until it's al dente. Remove the water and reserve it. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and fry the beef. Then add salt and pepper. Fry it for approximately 10 minutes. Now add a bit of soy sauce and reserve it. Then we'll fry the vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and fry it for approximately 5 minutes. Add a bit of salt and pepper to your taste and cook it for 5 more minutes. Then add the soy sauce and mix it for 3 more minutes. Add the vegetables, the beef, and a little bit more of soy sauce to the pasta. Cook it for 5 minutes and it's ready to eat. That's it, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried to make this type of noodles at home. Don't forget to subscribe, give your like, and I see you next Thursday.